Project 270 step 3. Next, I need to add a column below this row. Again, I drag a column under the layout of add components into the screen like this. Now see that the column that we have added in the box showing components is not added to the bottom of the row but inside the row itself. Let's remove this column from here and add it to the bottom of the row. I first drag this column up from row win like this. Okay. Now the column was removed from the row win and added to the top. Now click on the arrow in front of row win and minimize row win. Let's drag the column down from row win like this. Okay, now I click the rename button from the properties here and rename column 1 as column play flip. Let's add a label to this column again. As I added the label before, I drag a label under the user interface of add components here. From the label properties, I click the rename button and rename this label 1 as label flips. Let's give 0 for the text here. Font size is given as 40. Also, the font color of this label needs to be changed. For that, click on the box below the color and give the code as 0018FM. Again, click on the box below font weight and give bold for font weight. This label needs to be hidden. So let's make visible false here. Next, we need to add a button in this column flip play. Let's again drag a button under the user interface of add components into the column like this. Now, click the rename button in front of button 1 and change the name of the button to button play. I typed as button play here. Next, remove the text of the button and give the code as FFE700 for the background color. Next, let's change the size. Select the absolute size for the height of the button and give a value of 200. In this way, absolute size is selected for width and a value of 200 is given. Now let's add a background picture to this button. Here, click the box below the background picture and select the play.png image. Also, in the border settings, the border width is given as 1 and the border radius as 100.